This is a test of the PETG of the 3D printed. I'm going to take the front cover off. Front cover then protects that, especially when transporting. These are dovetailed here. I have not glued them yet. You use CA type glue, but the higher quality, not the junk you get at the dollar store. They are held in with panhead zinc M4 by 12 millimeter. There are 4 on each side. Goal here is to show you with one hand. I can lift it. I can lift it with 2 hands horizontal, and obviously lift it this way. Now, I'm not throwing it, I'm not being rough. I'm just treating it like a nice electronic device, and but these do move. They have some flexibility without breakage, and again, it's just to give you some nice protection, kind of an interesting look. And again, the test was, can you lift it? And again, this is about 12 pounds. And they have not been glued, but they will be glued today. And I wanted to do this for my friend, whose name is Travis, and he has this type of skill that he can take advantage and make some of these parts for me that really help with amateur radio. So there you go. Hope that helps. KC3YFZ.